you're experiencing crashing issues with EA FC25, follow these steps to troubleshoot and potentially resolve the problem. Step 1. Check system requirements. Ensure that your computer meets the minimum system requirements for EA FC25. Check the official website for the specifications needed to run the game smoothly. Step 2. Update graphics drivers. Outdated graphics drivers can cause crashes. Visit the website of your graphics card manufacturer, NVIDIA, AMD, or Intel, and download the latest drivers. Install them and restart your computer. Step 3. Verify game files. If you're using a platform like Steam or Origin, use the built-in feature to verify the integrity of the game files. This process checks for missing or corrupted files and replaces them automatically. Step 4. Adjust game settings. Lower the graphics settings in the game. Sometimes high settings can cause performance issues leading to crashes. Start with low settings and gradually increase them to find a stable configuration. Step 5. Reinstall the game. If all else fails, uninstall the game completely and then reinstall it. This can resolve any persistent issues that might not have been fixed by the previous steps. By following these steps, you should be able to address the crashing issues with the EA FC25. If problems persist, consider reaching out to EA support for further assistance.